Grant Morrison, second year MBA student. When you spent your time at GE, how did you identify, foster, and retain the innovative leaders that you needed to move your organization forward?
Well, it's one thing that we can say. I can't take credit for anything else, but I can take credit with a team of people of living the fact that we knew what our core competency was. It wasn't designing a jet engine. It wasn't building a turbine. It wasn't building a CAT scan, or it wasn't designing the Seinfeld show. What it was building people. We believed it to our toes. We practiced it every day. We never had a review that wasn't a personnel review. We had a budget review. Well, the first 2 hours of the budget review, we're going over the human resource review we had 6 months prior to that. So all these things, it was a constant stream of talking about people, of grading people, on values and on performance. Performance got you in the game, and values got you promoted. That's how we dealt with it. And values got your ass thrown out of there, too. Bad behavior got you out. And we didn't get everybody, but we found the biggest jerks we could find and got them out of there. And values count. They're real. I mean, it's unbelievable how people think values are squishy and soft. Well, they're not. If you have a value that says boundaryless behavior, share ideas from everywhere, be open to gender and race, and then somebody isn't open to globalization, doesn't want to travel, doesn't promote gender differences, doesn't do that, you've got to remove them, or else you can't have that as a value. If you keep that, the worst thing a manager can do, this is the thing you've heard, some of you may have heard me say before, there are 4 types of managers: the one that has the values, the one that has the performance, onward and upward. The second one is the easiest one, doesn't have the values and doesn't get the results, throw them out. The third one has the values and misses the numbers, give them another chance. Try them somewhere else, because you don't always get people with the right values. But the fourth one is the one that kills companies. And I'll guarantee you've seen it all over, wherever you work. The person that delivers the numbers, but is a horse's ass. But they keep saying, let's go one more year with them. They're delivering the bacon. That's what breaks a company apart. That's what kills everything in a company. And don't let if you're running places, don't let it happen to you. Don't do it.